Hi, I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores to show you a quick, relatively easy, great way to insulate a door. We put a door on it, or it's real nice. The wind's going to blow into the cracks. Now I just have a sample piece of my molding here, which is a vinyl bubble, an aluminum frame with adjustable screws. This frame gets pushed up against the door ever so lightly. Because what happens is, when you push it tight to really compress the bubble, 1 ounce is only 1 ounce of force. When you do the whole edge of the door, that'd be 10 or 12 ounces of force, and you're going to need your shoulder to close the door against the weather stripping. So when you put the weather stripping to the door, you set it up so it just touches the door and compresses that little bead ever so slightly. Then, the trick with doing drilling easy, you go for the center of the adjustment hole, and you just drill a pilot hole. So you do it in the center, so if you got it too tight, you can pull it back if need be. And with the pilot hole, the screws go in much easier and under much more control than if I was just shoving it into the wood. The screw might pull to the left or the right and might make my molding too tight or too loose. So this is just a little sample of it, but there it is. Now when we open and close the door, we're going to have a nice weather strip bead, so if the door or the building shifts, it will always hit that weather stripping the same, and this vinyl bead will last for 10 or 15 years. So this is a great long-term insulation, and it's a bumper style just like a refrigerator, but without the magnet. This is the only way to insulate a door when you can use it. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.